Welcome back! I found something interesting while browsing through mobile gaming discussions, and I figured it was worth checking out. There's a claim going around that you can get extra diamonds in duck survival without using a PC, installing modified apps, or making any changes to your phone. Instead of assuming it's real or fake, I decided to test the whole process myself and record everything along the way. That way, you can see exactly what I did and decide what you think based on what you see. All right, enough talking. Let's jump into the test. Before I could start, I needed one important thing from inside Duck Survival: my player ID. I launched the game, headed over to my profile, and found the unique ID connected to my account. I copied it right away so I could use it later without switching back and forth between the game and my browser. It was a quick setup step, and within a few seconds I had everything I needed to continue the test. With my player ID copied, I opened Chrome and visited the website that had been mentioned in several gaming discussions. Once I was there, I searched for Duck Survival and opened the page related to the game. From that point, I followed the steps provided so I could see how the process worked and evaluate the claims for myself. Once I was on the page, there was a short form to fill. I picked my platform, iOS or Android, I'm on Android, and pasted in that player ID I saved. I double-checked it, hit connect, and it linked up with my account in just a few seconds. I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical, but the page seemed to be using secure connections, so I rolled with it. Once it connected, it showed me different amounts of resources I could add. I picked the one that felt right for my account and pressed the generate button. From there, I just let the system do its thing in the background. Apparently, it routes through different servers and all that technical stuff. Right before the resources were supposed to land, there was a quick verification pop-up. They said it's there to stop bots from abusing the system, which honestly makes sense. It was simple. Just needed me to grab a free app from the official store and complete a tiny task inside it. They even had a short guide if you get confused. Took maybe 5 minutes. A little extra work, but nothing painful. And that brought me to the part I was most interested in. With the process complete, I reopened Duck Survival and checked my account to see whether anything had actually changed. The extra diamonds were already there immediately. I didn't even have to restart the game or wait a few minutes. Everything appeared right away. I honestly didn't expect it to happen. If you've seen similar claims online or tried something like this yourself, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm always interested in hearing about other people's experiences. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more mobile game tests, reviews, and experiments, be sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.